Good afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Gautam Pariyar. I am 23 years old. I am from Tonau, Nepal. I have 5 members in my family. I am plus 2 pass.
Okay, Gautam Pariyar sir, are you married?
No.
Are you physically fit?
Yes.
Are you ready to work hard?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me about your work experience?
I have 2 years of work experience as a dishwasher.
Okay, so can you tell me about the responsibilities of a dishwasher?
To make sure that the kitchen area is clean, to set off dish station, washing all utensils that come into contact with food, etc.
Okay, so you can work as a dishwasher in any European countries?
Yes.
You can work in any weather or climate there?
Yes.
Do you have any medical health problem?
No.
Do you have any friends or relatives there?
No.
Okay, so are you willing to stay there for a long time?
Yes.
Okay, so you must complete your 2 years employment contract with the sponsored company. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now you can show me your skill.
Yes.
Okay.